how to watch YouTube while playing Roblox on mobile. So if you want to watch YouTube while playing Roblox on your mobile, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings, then scroll down and go with apps. And under apps, you need to go with manage apps. And from manage apps, you need to go and search for the application, which is YouTube. And here you may have an option of special access or up here on top. If you have those options, you need to go and toggle the option for YouTube. Go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on other settings. And here you may have up here on top or special access section. Go with manage home screen shortcuts, and here you need to go with YouTube and turn it on. Once done, you need to go back, open up your YouTube, and it might be on your background. But if that doesn't work, then what you need to do is you need to open up your browser, go with search, and search for youtube.com. Go with the 3 dots, which will be in the top right, and go with desktop site. Once you're on the desktop site, go and select any video that you would like to watch or any music. Now, once you're playing the music, you need to just go back and then go with the top left, and here you will have a play button. You need to just simply go and play. And after that, it will play the music in the background. And now you can just simply go and open up your Discord or any other application. And in this way, you'll be able to watch YouTube while playing Roblox on your mobile. But you won't be able to watch the video, just the music. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.